go.
Oh, it doesn't like the waves, does it?
No.
It's a bit back heavy really. It only seems to lie better when I get it into a higher throttle. It does like smooth water. It doesn't like the rough stuff, does it? It bounces
No.
too much. So it turns really tight as well.
It does.